Hello there. Today we are going to learn and look at some farm animals. Would you like to see some farm animals? Let's do it. Wow, a cow. Shall we take a look at some cows? Look, some sheep. Should we take a look at some sheep? Some goats. Aren't they cute? Should we take a look at some goats? Oh, wow. A horse. Isn't he pretty and brown? Should we take a look at some horses? What's this? A donkey. I heard donkeys love carrots. Should we have a look at a donkey? Oh, goodness. Look at these three little pigs. Aren't they adorable? Should we have a look at some piggies? Oh my stars, look at these chickens and look at their little baby chicks. Wow. Should we have a look at some cute baby chicks? Thanks for joining me to look at some adorable farm animals today. See you next time!